Hey guys, Brian here from Solid Woodworks. Today I'm going to show you how the 5th Gen 4Runner drawer system works and what you will be getting in your packages if you were to be ordering the pre-cut kit on my website. You have everything here that you see. I'm showing you the two different options of drawers styles we have at the moment. We have the non-locking 100-pound drawer slides I include in the basic kit. We will have options to upgrade to the 250-pound locking drawer slides. Included in every kit is the side cubbies, which will include the front pieces for both sides, top left and top right. There will be hinges included for both sides. There will be the mounting bracket system, which includes the D-rings here and the turnbuckles. In every system, there'll be 4 false tops included. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. This side is the normal basic false tops, and here we have the metal laminated false tops for cooking or any easy prep and cleanup. Also in every system will be included the dividers here. 4 dividers, 2 for each box, spaced about 1 foot apart, easily removable in case you need to store larger items in here. So as you can see, this side has the locking drawer slides, so this drawer will be a little skinnier since the slides are thicker than the non-locking slides. Once these drawers are in, I'm going to show you how the bed system works. So right now it is in full bed mode. To change that back to having your seats usable, all you have to do is pop the bed portion out, slide it back over the drawer system so that it's flush. There we go. Back over the drawer system. When it's over the drawer system, you are still able to open your cubbies just about a 90-degree angle. So you can still open them just enough to get things out of it. I will have a option to be able to add a hinge here so the whole system will just fold back, and that will be coming soon. Let me show you how easy it is to install the bed extension piece. You'll fold your seat bottoms up, click your tab to fold the backs down, take out your bed extension piece. Now that the bed extension piece is out, you can see the L brackets in here that are included in the system as well that fit the 5th generation, 4th and 3rd generation 4Runners. We'll now take this piece, slide it out, and it'll go tight against this side. You'll put your hand here and just kind of push down, it snaps into place. Now this will give you a nearly 6-foot long sleeping area that is flat. You can add your mattresses and somewhere nice to sleep. You also have storage down here for shoes or some totes or anything that you might need for that. So that is the 5th generation platform and dual drawer system. This will be available on our website at solidwoodworks.com. You can order plans to create it yourself and buy your own wood. You can buy the hardware from us, the slides, mounting brackets, screws, everything needed to install the system and build the system. Or you can purchase a pre-cut kit that we will ship to you, and you can put it together just like an IKEA set of furniture following our video that I will link here in the description of this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and email me if you have any questions.